nightmare.
It's dropping off now.
Is it?
Yeah. It's strong wind to be in the south or the southeast to cause the fetch coming up the river, and then you got the tidal surge effectively, which can cause up to a metre of extra water on top of the high tide. So the tide is not just the only factor; it's also the amount of water coming down the river, and also particularly the direction of the wind.
The waves started to come over, and there was one wave that was so strong that it knocked the cannon off its perch. The water was above those pumps, and they were working flat out.
What's that? Is this yours?
Yeah. It's caught red-handed. Hopefully it'll wash away. Oh yeah, we'll get out.
It was originally built just before the First World War, I think around about 1911. Some of the initial finance was provided by the Market House Trust. We residents were very concerned about who was going to pay for this, because sometimes it's difficult to prove ownership. I found out that it's the Devon County Council Public Rights of Way department that have accepted responsibility and indeed look after these things, and they have already allocated, I am told, a pot of money to start repairs on the Goatwalk.